Structure of benzene. Next is resonance concept. Resonance concept. Okay. The two contributing structures of benzene are these two. Okay. These two are the contributing structures of benzene. And according to resonance, the structure of benzene is intermediate between these two structures. Okay. Intermediate between two contributing structures. Okay. These two contributing structures. These two structures are also called as canonical structure. Okay. These contributing structures of benzene are called as canonical structures. Okay. And according to resonance, the structure of benzene is intermediate between these two canonical structures or contributing structures, and it is called as resonance hybrid. This resonance hybrid is highly stable. Okay. Resonance hybrid is highly stable. Resonance hybrid is highly stable. And the bond length of this resonance hybrid is intermediate between C double bond C and C single bond C. Okay. Bond length of resonance hybrid. Okay. Resonance hybrid is intermediate between C double bond C and C single bond C. Okay. Intermediate between C double bond C and C single bond C, and it is experimentally proved that the bond length is about 139 pm, which is between C double bond C and C single bond C. Okay. Next, the energy difference between this canonical structure and resonance hybrid is called resonance energy. Okay. Resonance energy. So, resonance energy is the difference between energy difference between these contributing structures. Okay. Between contributing structure and resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid. This is called as the resonance energy, and in the case of benzene, it is about 150 kilojoule mole inverse. Okay. Kilojoule mole inverse. Okay. This is about the resonance concept. Okay. So, resonance energy is the energy difference between contributing structure and resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid is highly stable and which can be drawn like this. Resonance hybrid will be like this. Dotted line, or it can be drawn like this. Okay. This will be the resonance hybrid. Okay. This much about resonance concept.